Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to know who blocked your WhatsApp number. Everyone installed the WhatsApp with many contacts. Typically, WhatsApp automatically synchronizes the phone contact. Sometimes people remove the phone contacts with or without knowledge. In this case, WhatsApp contact also will be removed. So, how do you know who removed your WhatsApp number? Let's learn how you can check this. Option 1. If your friends blocked your WhatsApp contact, then you will be seen only the single green tick mark. This means your message has been sent but will not deliver. This status shows more than 1 or 2 days, then definitely your friends blocked your WhatsApp number. Option 2. Check your friends' last seen status. Under their name, display the date and time or online status. But if they blocked your WhatsApp contact, it will not show anything. Option 3. If your friends removed your WhatsApp number, his profile picture will not display it. But sometimes your friends share the profile picture for close friends only. All of these options really help to know about who blocked your WhatsApp number. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to more informative video, subscribe this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.